How to remove co-host from Clubhouse. To remove a co-host from an active Clubhouse room, what you want to do is, first of all, you must be a moderator yourself, and you can revoke their evaluator status, moving them back to the audience or speaker level. So open the Clubhouse app onto your device, locate the co-host on the stage, the topic section, and tap their profile picture. Next, in the profile half sheet, just tap the three dot menu or the role icon. As you do this, you want to make sure to select make member or remove as moderator, revoke their co-hosting abilities. When you do this, if you want to remove them from the stage entirely, what you want to do is choose move to audience, and if a co-host is being disrupted, you can choose to remove from a room, which will eject them and prevent them from re-entering. To remove co-host from the Clubhouse, this is how you're supposed to remove the co-host from a Clubhouse. And if you're not able to do it, it could be because you're not a moderator or you're not an admin itself. So with that being said, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.